My name is Tharrell Thames from San Antonio, Texas, and my company is Handcrafted Wood Treasures. Mainly, I focus around Air Force and military, retirement gifts, shadow boxes, going away gifts, but I'm kind of a jack of all trades. I researched and researched, and the more I researched, the more people kept hearing back to Thunder. Back to Thunder, because there's a couple other companies that came up, and it comes down to what works best for me. Listening to what these content creators are talking about and doing my own research, I just gravitated towards Thunder. The customer service I hear is much outstanding, which is what I need. To be a beginner, I'm going to have questions. If I have questions, I want to be able to call someone, pay for the time, work through the problem so I can make my product much better. Mainly what I use it for is mainly for hat presses, for train instructors, hat presses, and some etching on some of the retirement gifts. It'll speed up my time, maximize the efficiency of my time, and bring in more revenue into. The best thing I like about it is the community. You don't realize why the community is until you get an Ignite, which I highly advise you attend because it is very, very beneficial to you and your business. The staff is amazing. Everybody, very helpful, willing to help, want to give you the knowledge. A lot of times you go to companies and they're just want to give it to you. Okay, I said, yeah. Well, here it is. They want to talk to you. They want to make sure that you get what you need out of the information. They want to see you through the project and the whole entire process and make sure you're happy with it. If you're not happy with it, they're going to go back, take it back, and take you step by step until you're happy with it, until you're at the point where you're confident where you can do it, and still call them if you need to. Anybody I have talked to that are thinking about it, I tell them research Thunder. For my work, what I see, Thunder Laser, customer service, benefits, pricing, you can't beat it in my opinion. So I tell them Thunder Laser is the way to go.